Abdominal breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing, is a simple yet powerful way of using the body's natural rhythm to calm the mind and improve health. It is a technique where the diaphragm, which sits just below the lungs, is used more actively to pull air deep into the lungs. Instead of shallow breathing that mostly involves the chest rising and falling, abdominal breathing encourages the belly to expand as you inhale and contract as you exhale. This style of breathing brings in more oxygen, removes more carbon dioxide, and helps regulate many physical and mental processes. When a person takes a shallow breath, only the upper part of the lungs is used, and the body does not get as much oxygen as it needs. This type of breathing is very common in stressful situations, and it can make anxiety worse. Abdominal breathing allows the body to slow down, relax, and enter a state of balance. By focusing on the breath and letting it go deep into the belly, the nervous system is triggered to shift from a state of stress to a state of calmness. This helps lower heart rate, reduce blood pressure, and relax muscles that may be tense due to worry or overthinking. Practicing abdominal breathing is simple and can be done almost anywhere. Sitting in a comfortable position or lying flat on the back makes it easier in the beginning. Placing one hand on the chest and the other on the abdomen helps to feel the movement clearly. As the person inhales slowly through the nose, the hand on the abdomen should rise while the chest stays relatively still. When exhaling through the mouth or nose, the abdomen should gently fall as the air leaves the lungs. Practicing this cycle for a few minutes every day can make a noticeable difference in how the body feels. One of the most important benefits of abdominal breathing is stress management. In daily life, people are often overwhelmed by work, responsibilities, and challenges. Stress creates tension in both mind and body, leading to issues like headaches, fatigue, or even trouble sleeping. Abdominal breathing acts as a natural tool to release this tension. By consciously slowing the breath and allowing it to deepen, the mind is guided away from scattered thoughts and into the present moment. This gives the body a chance to reset and restore energy. Athletes, singers, and even people recovering from illness often practice abdominal breathing because it improves lung efficiency. By strengthening the diaphragm, breathing becomes more effective and stamina increases. This is especially important for those who suffer from respiratory conditions, since training the body to use the full lung capacity can reduce shortness of breath and improve oxygen flow. Over time, abdominal breathing can become a natural habit rather than just a practice. The more a person trains themselves to breathe this way, the easier it becomes to manage emotions, stay focused, and remain calm under pressure. It is one of the simplest forms of self-care that requires no equipment, no cost, and only a few minutes of time each day. By making it a daily habit, people can experience lasting benefits for both their body and their mind.